Hey everyone, if fonts are not showing in OnlyOffice, text appears with the wrong font, or some fonts are missing completely, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to restore missing fonts in OnlyOffice. First, close OnlyOffice completely and open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent fonts from loading properly. Next, make sure the missing font is actually installed on your computer. Yeah, OnlyOffice can only display fonts that are available on the system. If the font isn't installed, download and install it. Missing font files are one of the most common causes of this issue. Try closing and reopening the document after installing the font. So this forces OnlyOffice to reload available fonts. If you're using OnlyOffice in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can prevent fonts from loading correctly. Some browser extensions may interfere with font rendering. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often include fixes for font compatibility and display issues. Some fonts may have restricted permissions or may be corrupted. Reinstalling the font can sometimes solve the problem. If fonts are still missing, reinstall OnlyOffice completely, so a fresh installation can repair damaged program files. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional assistance. Yeah, they may be able to identify compatibility or font-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice fonts not showing problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.